야호!
The next day.
어이가 없네.
Three days later.